houses. Yeah!
I'm selling fingers. Look.
Selling houses for money.
Hey, houses for sale.
Yay!
Hey, can I buy a house?
Hey, yeah, sure. Which one? Which one do you want?
I want a pink house.
Pink houses? I don't have pink houses.
Oh, I will go to somebody else.
Selling a fingers. Selling fingers. Selling fingers. I'm selling fingers. Look. Wow. Selling fingers. Selling fingers. Selling fingers.
Wow! Can I buy the pink house?
Yeah, of course. $5.
Sure, there you go.
Yes, real.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Hey, have fun. Bye.
Wait, I can build it myself.
I will build it for $5.
Okay, here you go.
Yes.
You build the house and I'll come back later. Bye.
Let's go. Let's start building. We almost finished. Who is this?
Oh no, what happened to my house?
The animal destroyed it.
But I need a house. Can you make it again?
Yes, it will make it. I can make it. Ta-da! It's finished.
Cool. Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you.
Oh no, there's danger coming! We need a fence!
Yes, let's get it. Run! Yes, it's protected.
Stop! 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 Protected!
Go away!
Go away! Don't get it!
Go away! Thanks for the house and the fence.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Like that like button, subscribe button.